got this 3-pack set of flashlights to keep around their house for power outages and things of that nature. Really, really handy. They're really good quality. Let me go ahead and put these two down and tell you all about these. So, nice aircraft quality aluminum alloy casing, very heavy duty, very solid, doesn't feel cheap at all, very solid, very sturdy, but not too heavy. That's the nice thing about it. It has this nice handle, you can strap to anything. Very convenient, nice to have in your car. It's nice to have with you during outdoor activities. So let me tell you all about it. So it's easy to charge. Each flashlight comes with a USB to USB-C connector. And right here is a little area where you just lift this up, and this is where you charge it. So just to turn it on, you just press this button right here. And you can see it's charged at 100%. I love the fact that it has this indicator so you have a clear way of knowing when you need to charge it. So when you turn it on, it's at your highest mode. So this is the bright mode. And then if you press it one more time, it goes down a little lower. Press it again, a little lower. And then it has a strobe feature. And then this is a more flashing SOS feature. And that's it. So really, really nice, convenient. You can see this is the size of it. We got these to have around our house during a time when we were anticipating storms and potential power outages. And this is just really nice to have for so many reasons. So if you're looking for a really good flashlight, whether you want it for your home or for using in the outdoors or keeping your car, definitely recommend this set.